So, good afternoon everyone. Kanang maghimo ko karon og 1 minute video. 1 minute getting to know me. So, na ako yung mga series of question na diri. Oh no. So, kuha na ko og mga question diri. Makita ba ninyo? Diyan. Uy, 23 seconds na. 1 minute ra ba ang akong 1 ani. Okay. So, I'm gonna open it. And then, first na kong puniton. First question is, do you prefer mornings or nights? I'm a morning person. I prefer morning. Sunod. Oh no, 53 seconds na. So, what's one lesson you've learned recently? So, never put 100 trust to your friends. Sunod. If you could instantly master one skill, what could it be? One skill. Pass. I don't know the answer. Where are you from and where you live right now? Where are you from and where you live right now? So I'm from Santa Cruz, Bislig City. So I'm currently living at San Antonio, Bislig City. Next. Ito, ika-4 na question is, do you have favorite hobby or creative outlet? So akong hobby karon kay mag-cellphone na lang yun. Sa una, akong favorite hobby reading man. So karon nautro na, mag-cellphone na lang akong favorite hobby. Sige, glantawg TikTok videos and everything. So sunod, what motivates you the most? So my children. Ako do anak, so they are my inspiration and everything. Pinaspasan nito. 1 minute ra daw pero 2 minutes na. So what's your go-to comfort food? Comfort food na ako chocolates. Anything but chocolates. Dali air kay kumaulian ba sa chocolates mood. Basta chocolates. Sunod. What's a weird talent or skill you have? Wala mo ko'y weird talent. Weirdo na magudaan ko. And then, where do you see yourself in 5 years? So, in 5 years from now, riyar gapon ko, pero siguro manifesting na unta mo improve ma-reach na ta ba, maka-build na tag business empire and everything. Coffee or tea? So I love both, but I prefer coffee. And then cats or dogs? Actually,
Hey Ria Joy, you can now unplug your phone.
Yan na no, nablag pa ko. So, cats or dogs ba daw? So, both, pero I have dog. Gusto kong dog kay for security. Ang cat man good is, so, ganahan pong kong cat, pero sa ako nga hubakon, so, pass lang sa tas cat. And then, what's your dream travel destination? Maldives. Or, how do you pronounce that? Maldives? O, bahala mo, basta laila tag-eskwelahan. And then, what's your full name? So, my full name is Ria Joy Cortez Payat. Do you have nickname? Sa akong nickname is, ang akong mga relative, they will call me Nini Ria. And then, sa work, they will call me Young Ray, or bisag unsa. But I will prefer Ria, RJ, or basta ayaw lang ng psst, kay maglangkot yung anak. Or Hoy. Di yung ganahan tawagong Hoy. Kay I have my name. So, when's your birthday? So, akong birthday is March 18, 1992. And my zodiac sign is Pisces. So, be careful. I maybe look dumb, but I'm not dumb. Mura na kog tanga kay gamay, pero I can see through people's true intention. Mga nga na ba, dali na ako makita ko sa plastic and everything. So, what's your favorite movie? So, gikan sa unahang tud karon, it's not a movie. Siguro series, anime, Naruto. Walay makalabaw sa ako sa Naruto bisa pagkapila ko na balik-balikon, ijog ko magsawa. What's your favorite artist or band? sa agad sa una, Silent Sanctuary. I like Silent Sanctuary din. Sa local, Silent Sanctuary. Pero sa foreign or sa national is Second Hand Serenade. Why did you start vlogging? Mo may uso. Ya, kay masuyaon man ko. So, sundog-sundog lang. Ganan. But, sa una nag-vlog na ko guys. Nana ko vlog. Nana ko YouTube channel. Teryang TV. But, sadly, murag pila ko kabulan na kanaganing na sa taga na kanang kanaging muli upload na dissolve. Sayang na monetize na pud ko, naka-withdraw na ko dito once 5,400. So are you more of an introvert or extrovert? Para sa ako, introvert ko. Dili lang halata kay tabian man ko, pero pag shy type good ko, dili kay ko basta ay mo pagbuot, introvert ko ha, ay mo pagbuot ako ning life, ako yung magbuot. So no, do you have siblings or pets? I do have siblings too, puro boys. And I have other siblings from kasi akong mama is nagbinyuglain and akong papa nagbinyupuglain. The more the merrier. Next, last. Wala na dayon. Ay na pa isa. Ay last, isa na lang lagi. What's one habit you can't live without? Eating. Ay habit daw gaga bubo. Diyan may akong habit ha. Ay, kuan. Sige, mag-cellphone na lang. Mag-cellphone. Ay, pagbuot, mag-cellphone. So, that's all for today's video. 1:03 na. Bye!